the interior and exterior parts and function of the car vehicles. So this one is headlight. Headlight, it helps to you to see the road at night or in the dark places. So this one is the license plate. The license plate shows the car's registration number for identification. So next, the windshield. Windshield, that front glass that protects the driver and the passenger from wind, dust, and debris. The outside mirror lets the driver see the vehicles or object at the side or behind. So next, the door handle. Door handle used to open and close the car. So next, the wheel support. Wheel support helps the car move and support the vehicle width. Next is the window. Window allow you to see the outside and can move and support the vehicle's width. So next one is the rooftop. Rooftop parts of the car that protects passenger and sun and air. Seatbelt provides comfort and safety for passenger. The last one is the bumpers. Bumpers is to protect the vehicle during small collisions.